I'm outside. I just finished cleaning these chicken coop. Now I'm chilling out with my girls. I'm gonna feed them some grapes. You want some? I'm gonna bite it. It is so nice outside. Ow! Little shitheads. I love hanging out with my girls. Let me see. Here you go. Jesus. Here you go. Brittany, here. Ow. I don't usually like to give it to them whole because they might choke. But they are loving the grapes. Will you guys stop eating my hand? Domino. What is going on with you girls? Jackie, can you guys all behave? Right, Riri? I tell them. Riri, you tell them. Riri. Riri didn't get any. Oh, shit. They were attacking me. Here, Britt. You guys are out of your mind. You know that? You guys are crazy. I love you, though. I love you. Bye.